Subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bell on so you won't have to miss another video of mine. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you guys have found a minute or two to stop by my channel. I appreciate every one of you. So in today's video, as part of my worst and best product, today is all about leave-in conditioners and my worst leave-in conditioners. Do not come for me, this claim money. This product that hasn't worked for me, that does not necessarily mean it's not gonna work for you. So it's been time, it's been effort, it's been trial and error to come up with my staples product. So it's gonna take you a while to find what works, what doesn't work for you. Just because this hasn't worked for me, this one that hasn't worked for me, does not necessarily mean it's not gonna work for you. This is just to give you a little taste, that is even the right word, of the consistency of the product, how it smells like, how it makes my hair feels. Obviously, then one that are my best leave-in conditioner will be the one that obviously is my staple, and the one that I'm not so good will be the one that I can't wait to use up and will never be like re-buying that. So that is just more or less what this video is all about. So keep watching. Let's get on the best leave-in conditioners first. The first one has to be the Kereke leave-in conditioners. You don't see this much in my hair video. That's because I only have that much left, and I'm only using it on the days when I'm really stuck. If you're ever looking for conditioners that have complete, this is your girl. I've used the shampoo. I don't have it with me. It should be one of my top best shampoos, but I don't have it with me. I ran out of that. But this is the leave-in conditioner of it. I also have the moisturizer. So another reason this product isn't in my routine as often as I should have been is the price. Guys, this here is 475 ml, 16 fluid ounce. This is the Kereke leave-in conditioner, right? This is £18.99. Ma che stiamo scherzando? Signore, ragazzi, ma che stiamo scherzando? Ma dai, ma che tu? Oh, I'll get it all twisted now. Ma 19 pounds for a leave-in conditioner, 16 fluid ounces, was 475 ml for leave-in conditioner. Are we for real? Like, I don't get it. It's good. I know this is one of those products you get what you pay for. And yes, if I were to win a lottery tomorrow, yes, I will switch to Kereke any day, anytime. If I were, I don't know, like I said, win a lottery. You know, this would be my favorite line. If you were to say, what line would you like? What line of hair product would you like to use? Or everything in one. Shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, oil, sprays, the whole lot. That would be Kereke. So I give them that. It's just because I'm a little bit broke. And that refrained me from getting the whole thing. So it's good. It smells yummy. Like, ooh. Oh my god, I didn't realize the product was up to the tip. Troll. It smells good. The consistency is just creamy. What not to like? I mean, you're gonna pay that price tag, and they might as well get it right. This is the whole package. I swear by this, come rains, come shine. That's why it's my top. And number one in that is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-in Conditioner. This is really good. I love this. It's what, 3, 4, 5, 6 times the price of that. It works just as well. Well, similar. It does not smell too bad. It smells alright. You have to give it a good shake because it tends to settle. You have that stronger liquid and a lighter liquid there. It smells okay. Yeah, it's a liquid, so that really help in detangling because obviously when it's liquid, it's easier for me than a cream leave-in. It tends to clamp my hair together, so I like that leave-in conditioner. I got a replacement for that. Now, when I say replacement, I mean I use this once in a while because it's so expensive. So for my day-to-day and for lots of clients that come to me for their hair treatment or hairdo or hair plait, anything to do with hair, I use my absolute favorite of all time. This product has stayed with me the same time as that deep conditioner, Queen Helen deep conditioning cream. As you can see, I've got the salon size because I'm not just the only one that uses this. This work with so many people's hair is crazy. This is crazy. It's creamy. It's very creamy. On this, you only need a little bit of it. A little bit goes a long way on this again. So, yeah. And it smells good. Well, to me anyway. I don't mind the smell. That is my top three best leave-in conditioner. Right, let's move on to my top 3 worst leave-in conditioners. I will kick this off with a macadamia natural oil. It said nourishing leave-in conditioner cream. I have this expired. It expired in 2015. Mind you, I've been using it for synthetic hair, synthetic wig, just to use it up. So at least I haven't been harming my hair. But anyway, it was good to keep because now I can tell you and rave about it. This completely coated my hair. And I must tell you, I don't remember how much it was. This was very, very expensive. I remember buying this. The another spray that's supposed to be like detangler. It's also the same long like this. Then the mask in a little tub. I remember buying 3 of them back then. But it's horrible. Apart from the fact that the consistency is quite thick, to get that the product out of that whatever they put on it, to get the product out it's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. The only thing good about it is the smell. It smells really nice. Oh, I'm afraid that is not good enough. I need my hair to stay moisturized, keep moisturized, and feel moisturized, not just sit on. No, that is not the plan. Second one on that range is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Buttermilk Leave-In. I'm very, very disappointed in this. This is one of my Cream of Nature is one of my top used products among all the. Said it instantly moisturizes, define curls, and control frizz with exotic shine. Copy that? Whatever. This did nothing for my hair. Again, this is one of those products that claim no sulfate, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum oils. I ain't bothered. I'm not bothered whether you have sulfate, whatever you have, whether you have mineral or parabens or petroleum. That is not the point. You say something is supposed to make hair instantly soft, instantly moisturized. Where is all that in that? So that's what made this my second worst leave-in conditioner. The third one in that range is the Aunt Jackie Quench. Did you hear me? Did you just say what I said? The Aunt Jackie Quench. Aunt Jackie's Quench. You and I know what that stands for. I know my education is not up to scratch, but come on. It's supposed to quench the dryness on your hair, like instant hydration. Is that another word for it? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Please do. Alright? It said this moisture intensive leave-in conditioner. Again, this is one of them natural ingredients, or brainwashed to get people to patent because it hasn't got that ingredients, you haven't got the other, all the stuff you have inside are all natural and good. My food. Seriously, my food. Look, it's got no sulfate, no parabens, free of mineral oils, no petroleum oil. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. If you says it's quench, it's supposed to give you absolute good moisturizing property, then that's what I expect to get. I don't want to hear any of this. No parabens, no that, no this, no that. That concludes my worst and best leave-in conditioner. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If that is the case, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That would be nice. Okay. Subscribe if you can. That would be nice as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Ciao.